Okay, question 8. We've got a water tank. The water in a fish tank is treated by using 5 millilitres of AquaGuard for every 10 litres of water. Write down the ratio of the volume of AquaGuard used to the volume of water in the tank. Give your answer right. Okay, so we need to do 5. We're going to work in millilitres. 2, right, 10 litres. Well, 1 litre is 1,000. So actually 10 litres will be 10,000. So now we've got them in the same ratio, but we need them 1 to n. So we need a 1 here, so we need to divide by 5. Well, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10,000 divided by 5 is 2,000. So our ratio 1 to n is 1 to 2,000. Now, a tank contains 96 litres of water. Work out the volume of AquaGuard that we need to use. Well, if we know that 10 litres uses 5 millilitres, and we've got 96 litres, so we need to times by 9.6. So we need to do 9.6 times 5. I know I've taken the point out, and we'll put it back. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 9, 45, plus the 3 gives us 480. But because that should be 9.6, our actual answer is 48 or 48.0. Okay, so that's question 8. Question 9. In a school, there are 320 girls and 500 boys. Write down the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. Well, that's quite straightforward, but then it wants us to simplify. So let's divide by 10. Makes it a bit more straightforward. They're both even, so we can go 16 to 25, and there isn't a number that goes into both of those. So your final answer, 16 to 25. Okay, different school. There's a total of 640 children. In this school, the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys is 7 to 9. So we need to share. So we want to know the number of boys, girls to boys. So we want the 9. So add the 7 and the 9 together. Gives you 16. Okay, and then we need to do 640 divided by 16, which goes, let's just see, 16, 32, 48, 64. So it's 4 16s. So actually, every time there is 1, you get 40 children, but we want 9 parts, 9 bits for the boys. So we need to do 9 times 40. 9 times 40, so actually there's 360 boys. And then if we wanted the girls, we'd have to do 7 times 40. Okay, so 9 times 40, 360. Okay, right, Venn diagram by the looks of it. 60 students at a college. 30 students study both French and Spanish. Right, well, we need to complete this, so let's fill it in as we go. So we know 20 complete both. 13 students study French but not Spanish. A total of 43 students study Spanish. Well, if there's a total of 43, there's already 20 there, so there must be 23 there, because those two add up to your 43. Now, we haven't used the fact that there's 60. So if we add these together, 23, 20 and 13, we get 6, we get 56, which means we've got 4 left over, 4 on the outside. And that's your completed Venn diagram. One of the students at the college has been selected at random. Write down the probability that this student studies neither French nor Spanish. Well, it's these 4, isn't it? But it's a probability, so we're doing it out of all of them. So it's 4 over 60. Although you can simplify that to 1 over 15, but it doesn't ask, so 4 over 60 is absolutely fine. Okay.